It's Brian from Mr. Ding and Dent in Kenosha, Wisconsin. Working on a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. I have a pretty good sized dent in the right fender. Let's go check it out. Alright, so taking a closer look at the damage, measuring it out from the bottom up to the top, measures about 6 to 8 inches. Then I also have those few spots up there that need to be addressed. The easiest way to do this is to remove the tire, so I have easy access to the dent. Alright, so as you can see, the repair turned out really nice. The customer was extremely happy, and there was no new paint, no Bondo, no Carfax report, and it was done in one day. If you have any questions on any of the services listed, just give me a call, 262-359-1830.